Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share with you a very important message. The message is how to change your YouTube category. Is it important to change your YouTube category? Yes, it is very important. Why? Because remember, everyone has a different niche. If your niche goes together with someone on YouTube, which means that you need your videos to line up with that person who is doing the same job as you do. So in order for you to do that job, let's say me, I'm a producer. If I want my music to be under the category of music, what I'm gonna do? So I will go direct into YouTube and YouTube setting and then change that particular category that I want my video to be line up with. Because you need your music also, or your videos, or whatever thing that you're going to be doing to be viewed by others YouTube creators, viewers. So what we're going to do, let me try to scale this, and we have to go direct into our YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel, and in this YouTube right now, I'm doing it for entertainment. I'm a musician, so what I do always is to entertain people, and also I use it to teach people also how to use social media, or how they can be able to reach out to more people. So here what we're going to do right now is going direct into our YouTube channel, which you are seeing right here. So at the right corner top, there is this icon right here, the icon of your YouTube. So just click that thing, left click it, and then goes down right here and go direct into your YouTube studio. Just this one, just click it. So under YouTube Studio, there are a number of links that you're going to see. All right. So what we're going to do right here, okay, let me go direct here. We have to go direct into a setting. That setting down here. You can see that setting right here at the left bottom of your screen. Click setting, and then under setting we have general, we have channel, we have upload default, we have permission, we have community, we have agreements. So these are different links that also want you to configure them, because you need your YouTube to stand out of this policy. So you need to put information in order for your YouTube to reach out to more people. So what we're going to do right now, just let's go direct into upload default. So under upload default, this is what you're going to see. So we have advanced setting right here, so you can simply click advanced setting. Under advanced setting, if you try to scroll down, you can see all this. We have license, we have entertainment, we have language, we have caption certification. So what we are here for is simply to click this thing called category. Let me move my camera right here. So we have these categories right here under upload default, and then go direct into advanced setting and come down here to category. Simply click category, and then you choose the category that you want, because we have auto, vehicles, comedy, education, entertainment, filming and animation, gaming, auto and style, music, news and politics, non-profit, activism, people and blog, and there are many. All right, so you can simply choose what you want your YouTube to be category with. So mine is entertainment channel. I can also put education, but I prepare entertainment. So what I can do next is simply, or what you're going to do next is simply save it. So you can save it, and then there you are done. So if you have any question, please try to put it down there, or simply share it with people. And if you are new to my channel, I would like you to support me by smashing the subscribe button. And thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye-bye.